It's possible to enter existing customer and supplier opening balances when implementing Khaos Control Cloud to keep track of outstanding amounts you have yet to collect from customers and what you owe to suppliers. To enter customer and supplier opening balances, nominal accounts for them must first be created. Go to the Accounts screen and select Nominal Account Setup. Going into Edit mode, we're able to add a new nominal account using the plus New button. If you wish, you can change the automatically generated nominal code, then enter a description for the nominal. Set the system type to Customer Opening Balance and the account type as Company. Create another new nominal for the Supplier Opening Balance if required, again entering a description, setting the system type as Supplier Opening Balance and the account type as Company. Click Save Screen to save the nominal accounts. Entering the opening balances is done from the Accounts Trial Balance screen. Click on the Actions button and select Enter Opening Balances. We're going to enter our customer opening balance first. We need to select the customer we are recording the balance against, then enter the related invoice code. It's recommended to start opening balance invoice codes with OB so that they are easily identifiable. Enter the amount and invoice date, then select the custom opening balance nominal we created previously. If the amount is a credit, enable the credit note toggle. The tax rate can be changed if required, and the post-tax toggle controls whether or not the opening balance is posted to the tax register, as this may have already been accounted for elsewhere. You can also specify the appropriate currency for the invoice from the drop-down if required. Clicking the Post Transaction button posts the specified opening balance to the accounts and the relevant customer record, as well as refreshing the opening balance pop-up, so you can enter another opening balance immediately. This speeds up the process if you have multiple opening balances to enter. If we cancel out of the opening balance pop-up, we can go and load the customer record we just created the opening balance for. By going to the Statement tab and reloading the screen, we can see the opening balance has been recorded. Going back to the Accounts Trial Balance screen, we will now enter a supplier opening balance following the same process. First selecting our supplier, entering our invoice code beginning with OB, specifying the invoice amount and date, and then selecting the supplier opening balance nominal we created earlier. The other options are available below if they are required. Click Post Transaction to commit the opening balance, and again if we go and load our supplier record, we will see the outstanding balance recorded against their company record.